Hey, my name is Crystal, and let me tell you all about my course, Flow In. This is my signature intuitive approach to loose floral. Let me walk you through my framework, Flow In. F stands for foundation, and in anything you do, you need to have a solid foundation of how watercolor works. I will cover all the things you need to know, like supplies, watercolor techniques. We will do brush strokes, we will talk about water control, and of course, we will also be swatching all the colors, the exciting colors in our palette. And once we get the foundation sorted, we learn to surrender. In module number 2, letting go. The thing about watercolor is we got to lean into the medium and let it work its magic. So in 4 lessons here, we will understand bleeds, wet on wet, we will play, we will explore, and we won't let anything stop us from really being curious and experimenting. This is a step a lot of artists skip and go straight to flowers, but this is super crucial for us to just learn how to be free. In module 3 is observation. We finally turn to look at flowers. We really dive into flower study. We will look at their personality, their structure, the textures. I've divided them into 6 groups, and in 15 video lessons, I will show you how to approach each group using different brush strokes and different energy, different techniques. By the end of this module, you will be set and you will have a great idea of how to approach any flower out there. The next module I call W, which is wow factor. And this is almost in intermediate territory, which I believe you are ready for. So we will go through composition rules. We will talk about layering. I'll show you a very detailed layering video of some poppies, and then we will also study value control, color theory, and how to even put backgrounds on your paintings. And we finally got all the basics and all the skills. We're gonna take the training wheels off into the next module, which is intuition. So without the needing of tutorials anymore, how to approach a photograph and paint from it. We'll also be using different floral reference to make a floral pattern. And then we'll do 2 lessons where we will be using real life flowers as inspiration. This is an important module to allow you to be really confident and trust yourself and just dive right in. The last module, N for nurture, where I share with you tips and advice on how to continue on your artist journey. We talk about Instagram, Pinterest, artist dates, sketchbooks. By the end of the course, you would have a really good foundation in watercolor skills. You would be able to approach any flower, and you would be able to trust yourself confidently to just go out there and paint with expression and freedom. So if this sounds great to you and you're feeling the call of this journey, I really can't wait to invite you to flow in with me.